YouTube gang. BORN2CUT gang. Gang.
I was trying to make a video.
What kind of video? What kind of video? Dollar store, cheap clipper, cut. Forget all that Walmart. None of that Walmart. Only the cheapest of the cheapest of the cheapest. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
No, but we finna go to the dollar store and get a pair of clippers, like $30. I'm gonna come my little brother here. He look like a werewolf. All cheap shit, all out the dollar store. What's that, Mom? Which one should I get? Let me see that one. Alright, let me see it. Let me see. Oh, 16 pieces. Or should I get this one though? Look at this one, Mom. Color code, you know what I'm saying? And then we need some trimmers too. Give me some trimmers. So, where we at, Mom?
Dollar store.
Mine what? Cheap clippers? Tell them what I'm about to do with these clippers. Who here we about to cut?
We about to cut Daddy by the hair.
Okay, give me the other clippers. Get both of them. No. Yeah, give me them with the trimmers right there. All right, let's go. Hold on, we need a comb too. So let's get a comb because I gotta be able to comb.
It's cold.
Nah, give me one. Give me that one. Yeah, the $2 comb right there. All right, so what else we need? What else do we need? More, we need shaving. We need to be able to line them up though. Like I need to be able to do my razor lining. I want to make sure everything is on point, man. Give them the money. $53.24. And it's more than a haircut.
I mean, double bag or single?
Double bag, that's cool. Alright, y'all see it. So look, that's everything, right? That's everything over here. Would you say these would be cheap clippers or like beginner clippers? Yeah, not really, no.
I don't even know what the professionals use.
Cheapest challenge is, I don't know, what else can you use to describe it? It's a challenge, like, but we gon' I'm finna get him all the way together with the cheapest tools. I think we paid $53 for the clippers. It's not even, it's cheap. Anyways.
So there we got the
So,
clippers.
I mean, we got guards, so I'm good though. Like, I got guards.
First we
I
got
had trimmers. Right?
Yeah.
Trimmers, so we good.
So here we got the Durac.
Shaving cream, because I'm going to show y'all how I just, like, finesse all this shit. Like, so, it don't matter what clippers I got, none of that. There's no competition. It's a wrap. We here? We finna finish this shit, right?
I'm waiting my whole life for this.
This is the Dollar General challenge. You seen the Walmart challenge, but we work with what we got. And right here, I'm taking them trimmers. The trimmers, they hit for nothing, but they hit just enough to leave that guideline for me, to give them that guideline. You know what I'm saying? So I can see where I'm working. So I'm gonna ball that whole area out, keeping it low. Now this part is very important, man. Always you want to make sure you're taking that hair down. This is all prep. Still prepping, taking the hair down. I'm doing all this before I line them up because, like I said, I don't know these clippers. I don't know what they're capable of. You know, I never used them. This is new. You know what I'm saying? This canvas is not fresh. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure you take precaution. You know what I'm saying? You never want to just go in on somebody. You got to remember, you can always take the hair away. You can never put it back. So I don't want to do something I'm gonna regret later. So I'm taking my time, but I'm gonna come in with that razor and finish them off. So I'm not worried about that. As long as they leave a guideline, as long as they leave the blueprint, it's all just with time. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's all just with time. Taking your time. So now you see I'm actually fading down. I gave him that first guideline with my clipper all the way open, and then as you can see, I started with my highest guard. My highest guard, which I believe was a 3 guard, and then I worked my way down to a 2. There was no half guard, and the last guard was like the last guard was my 1 guard, and then I'm doing a lot of detailing right here, clip over comb, and then I'm gonna come back and reverse all those steps all over again. It's all really just repetition. Like, it's the same steps over and over again. It's making a complete canvas. I'm painting a picture right here, and you gotta understand that just like any other art or any other picture, anytime you draw on anything, that takes time. That's an art. You really don't see it to the end.
I waited my whole life for this.
Man, I know you see me going there, so now I'm going there, touching up on the line, and, just trying to add as much detail as I can with these, because like I said, these trimmers might as well take batteries. They're garbage, but I know my purpose, so I'm doing what I gotta do. And then I'm moving on. Now you finna see, I'm finna come in with the razor right here. Now mind you, part of this challenge, the razor had no holder, so I'm holding it with my bare hands. You know what I'm saying? Taking my time, being very careful, because I can slice them up easy. Like, I can slice them up real easy, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want to do that, but you see the detail is all that. Ain't nothing else really need to be said, man. You see what was done. What was need to be done was dead. I put him back together, you know what I'm saying? I brought him back to life, you know what I'm saying? He's happy, I'm happy, I'm impressed. But, you know what I'm saying? I challenge you, you know what I'm saying? Take it from this, put down the guards, put down all the weapons, you know what I'm saying? And get back to the basics, you know? I challenge everybody.